Game on like a bitch can't clear, whole chill. Whole lot of shit on feel. Been caught bass, been to the Lewis. I been.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. It is Ty, aka Glam by Ty, and so today's video is on a oldie but a goodie, a upart wig. So I haven't worn a upart wig in a while, so this company WestKiss Hair was kind enough to send me a upart wig along with some lashes. They threw in an adjustable band in there, a wig cap, and also they gave me one of their headscarf wraps. That comes in handy because I'm going to use the shit out of that, especially for my lace front wigs. But yeah, you guys, let's get into this hair. So like I said, this is a upart wig, and this is 26 inches. So on me, it's long as hell. It matches my hair perfectly. It's a 1B. It's 180% density, so it's super thick. One of the things that I noticed when I took this wig out was that, one, it was a left side part wig. So as you guys can see in the middle, it's specifically made for a side part. Not only that, but the hair is thick all the way down from the roots to the ends. As you get longer hair, the ends tend to be thinner, but for this wig, kindly enough, everything was thick all around. Okay, so what you guys see me doing now is basically I'm clipping the wig. Now these clips don't look like they apply any pressure, sis, but I'm telling you right now, they are sturdy as hell. I think the wig came with about 6 or 7 clips. I'm not 100% sure. Now my hair underneath looks crazy, y'all, but literally this just goes to show, oh my god, that was a tongue twister. It just goes to show you that how easy this wig is to throw on. This is a go-to wig. Like, this is some throw on, go run out the house, quick, easy clip on. It reminds me of clip-ins, but it's a wig version. So that was interesting because usually when I used to wear upart wigs, I would have to glue them down to my head. I really never clipped them on, especially for these clips to be that secure. What I'm doing now is basically taking my leave out, and I'm going to straighten that to basically start blending everything together. I'm going to start with the back, covering the back, and I did go on ahead and wash and blow dry my hair. Now, originally I had did it for a middle part, and then I had to go back in and change it to a side part because it wasn't working out, sis. So this is my second attempt at doing this side part, and hopefully this time it comes out right. I didn't leave too much of my hair out, you know, just enough to cover the wig itself. I did go ahead and do my baby hairs ahead of time, you know, laid them shits 2.5. One thing that I can say with this wig, it blended in with my hair really, really good. Like I already tell you guys all the time, I have thin hair. So this wig definitely blended in with my hair. I thought it was going to be like a little challenge to actually cover the tracks on the wig, but it was super easy. It wasn't that bad. And it blends perfectly. Look at that. It like blends perfectly. All right, so on top of me straightening my leave out, I also wanted to go on ahead and straighten the hair. The reason why I straighten my leave out first is because I like to do this step where it's basically blending in my hair with the weave or the wig while I'm straightening it. I don't know, for me it just adds like that perfect blend. So there's no like harsh demarcation of where my hair ends and where the wig stops. I don't know, I'm very particular of what order I do my hair in, and I definitely would say for a upart wig I would do my leave out first and then go on ahead and blend everything together. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. It's nice. There are some complaints. The cap does not fit my head at all. I got a little itty bitty head and I got extra room back here, so it makes the wig look like bulky, almost like sort of kind of. I put a bobby pin to pull this side back so it's not as bulky, but I had to make it work for me. But I'm pretty sure if you have a bigger head than me, you'll be fine. Or even if you have an average head, you'll be fine. But us little small head friendly girls, gals, whatever, you're gonna have to do some extra work if you're gonna be buying a upart. I do like the cap construction. I love the clips. The clips are super tight, super secure. Like, yeah, it's not going anywhere. But super long. The hair seems to be like good hair. It doesn't seem to be getting added up or anything like that, and no crazy shedding that I've peeped, that I've like seen so far. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I like it. This is a quick, easy throw on wig and get out the house. It literally probably took me about half an hour to really like put this on. Plus I had blow dried and straightened the top of my head too, so had I just had my hair straightened, I could have just parted, clipped this joint on, bumped it, whatever, and kept that. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Go on ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss on any of my videos that I got coming up. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.